Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Bonchat. In order to do so, here we are at the App Store and we're at the Google Play Store, because if you want to use Bonchat, you are going to need to install it for the device of your preference. What is Bonchat all about? Well, end-to-end encryption, private or on-premise server deployment, powerful group management, user-friendly interface, and secure messaging. So if you're interested, check out Bonchat on the Google Play Store or on the App Store. It's your ultimate source for secure and private communication. With Bonchat, you can enjoy seamless messaging, file sharing, and collaboration, all protected by state-of-the-art end-to-end encryption. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials. We'd love to have you on Discord. We're building a community there around AI animation. Love to have you. We've also got a variety of promotions there in the link tree. Click on any of those links to get started. You'll be helping us out and we'd appreciate it. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the referral link in the link tree, you can get $50 to open up an account, and you can refer your friends and family and get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. I can personally vouch for it. Simply Financial comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.